It is not often that you can combine the following elements into a unit: beautiful views, 2 double bedrooms with built-in wardrobes, covered parking, heaps of storage available downstairs, brick construction, private yard, and all within 5 minutes drive to the Rosny shopping district. Yet, 3/2 Dawson Court, Mornington ticks all of those boxes and more. Built in 1993, the unit retains its original features, but with its brick veneer construction and exceptional access underneath, the capacity to chop and change the unit to suit your specific needs is endless. Not that you have to do that, of course, as all the essentials are there with an open kitchen, dining and lounge area, separate laundry, bathroom with separate shower, and bath and separate toilet. Being a fully detached unit that only shares the carport means that within the small complex of 3 units, you get the benefit of safety while retaining your autonomy. Couple this with the additional private yard, you could create raised garden beds to plant your own vegetables, or just leave it as it is because after all, it's yours and no one else's. And lastly, to state the obvious, the views are absolutely remarkable for such a short drive from all essential services and almost never found in a unit. 3/2 Dawson Court is the type of unit that rarely becomes available, and whether you're looking to expand your portfolio, start fresh or start anew, this is not a maybe, but a must to inspect.